Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how we can share spaces inside your Comet AI browser / Perplexity AI account. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is launch the Comet AI browser and make sure that you're logged in with your associated Perplexity AI account. After that, hover your mouse over that panel here to the left, or that bar, and select spaces. And you guys navigate to the given space you would like to share. Let's go with that space here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click into these three dots in the top right corner. And click into that share button next to it, excuse me. And after that, simply adjust the accessibility level here. And for example, anyone with the link. And after that, click into share all threads, for example, if you'd like to share all of them, just like that. There you go. And what you want to do is simply create a shareable link here below if you'd like to give a contact of yours access to your space and all featured threads within it through a shareable link, so that you may share that link through, I don't know, direct messaging services with your friends and contacts, and so on and so forth. Alternatively, guys, you may simply invite contributors to the given thread so that they may have access to it, and also add threads to it, and work on it, for example, by entering the email address of the recipient here and by clicking into this button. Or what you want to do also, guys, is switch from my threads here to shared threads, and you will see all threads listed below that have been shared with the given invitee. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.